Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's PC tips I'm going to show you on how to fast laptop speed on Windows 10. So let's see. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to press Window plus R on your keyboard, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here and make sure you choose msconfig, or better still, you can type in msconfig on this particular colon right here and hit on OK. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on boot, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on advanced options. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on number of processor, then hit on here, and then choose the highest number of processor from your PC. So in this PC, I'm going to choose number 4. Next thing I'm going to do is to hit on OK, and then hit on OK right here. System configuration, you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes before restarting. Save any open file and close all programs. So what you need to do is to simply click on restart, and with that, your PC performance is going to boost. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to fast your Windows 10 laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.